सदन का मर्यादा है, मर्यादा को बनाए रखिए। आप नहीं, you are given the chance, madam. Please be seated, all of you, please be seated. Please seated. Just a minute, madam. No, Papu ji बैठिए. Please be seated in your seat.
Everybody seated, sir.
Yes.
Hello.
No, everybody should sit first. No sit, they are only standing. Please be seated. माननीय सदस्य कानिमोझी जी.
Sir, the fishermen from India, from Tamil Nadu, are being harassed and arrested by the Sri Lankan army regularly. Over 97 fishermen have been arrested and they are in Sri Lankan jails. They are being shot at. They've been tortured in unbelievable ways. Over 210 boats of the fishermen, which is the basic of their livelihood, has been taken away and it's been nationalized by the Sri Lankan government.
Yes.
And how will our fishermen live? Our Chief Minister been consistently requesting the Union government, the Prime Minister, to resolve this issue.
Your concerns will be taken up by the concerned ministry and the government of India.
We want a permanent solution.
जिन माननीय सदस्यों को आज नियम 377 के अधीन मामलों को उठाने की अनुमति प्रदान की गई है, वो अपना मामलों को अनुमोदित पाठ को तुरंत व्यक्तिगत रूप से सभापटल पर रख दे। केंद्रीय बजट पर सामान्य चर्चा। श्री धर्मवीर गांधी जी, you please be seated, श्री धर्मवीर गांधी जी, you start please. Where is Dharmveer Gandhi ji?
Sir, thank you sir for allowing me to speak on the budget. I am thankful to the chair as well as to my party which has allowed me to be before you and before the country to give my comments on the present budget 2025-26. Sir, before I go to a regular comment on the budget, I would like to raise a basic question that India is a union of states, which simply means that it is not our country India which carved out states. It means that it's the states like Punjab, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu or Bengal which submerged their identities and made this country. It is we who made India and not India carved out states. So states are primary and our constitution makers and our forefathers have rightly said that there is a union of states. So I would like to say that this budget, the entire budget making process and the budget itself is unitary in nature and not federal. The states have either little or practically no say in making the budget, and the spirit of constitution is being trampled from year to year by the budgetary process. So sir, if we look at the overall scenario,
MOS is sitting here.
The states are primary. India is a diverse country. India is a country of various different identities, religious, cultural, linguistic.
Please be seated. Please, no, Venugopal ji. Please allow him to. You please continue, please. You please continue, please. He is capable. Venugopal ji is capable. Please. धर्मवीर गांधी जी, आप बोलिए, आप शुरू कीजिए, आप कंटिन्यू कीजिए प्लीज। धर्मवीर जी आप कंटिन्यू कीजिए प्लीज। किरण जी एक मिनट, धर्मवीर जी एक मिनट, माननीय मंत्री किरण रिजिजू जी।
सर ये
प्लीज गौरव जी प्लीज
एक मिनट, एक मिनट, अरे वो समझ गया ना, सुन लिया।
Please allow him to
I
speak.
am just informing that MOS here, you have raised issue. I will inform the finance minister.
Okay.
Sir, Venu ji, Chairman sir, yes, okay, you have raised this issue. Let me.
नो ऐसा कोई
Please.
नियम नहीं है सर.
एक ऐसा है सर, yesterday.
हो गया.
क्या बात करते हैं ये लोग? Yesterday also finance minister came, waited, but the house
Please
was
hear him.
disrupted. Finance
Please
minister
hear him
was
first,
always
then.
there. You had disrupted the house yesterday. Just now you have raised this issue. I have said I will convey to the finance minister. In the meantime, you raise an issue. Let me respond. No?
Please hear him. Just please hear him. Banerjee, please hear to minister
क्या
sir.
बात है?
Please,
सिर्फ ये
you will be
आवाज
allowed.
उठाते
Okay,
हैं,
you
सुनना
will be
नहीं
allowed.
चाहते हैं।
Please sit. Please sit. You will be allowed. Please sit, Gaurabji. Please sit. Minister, please hear minister.
Sir, I am informing this house again that finance minister was ready from the beginning, yesterday also, before also, but yesterday because of the disruption in the house, the discussion could not be taken up. Now the house is ready to take up the discussion. I will inform the finance minister. In the meantime, my only request is the Honorable MOS sitting here. Let the discussion begin.
Okay.
I will inform the finance minister.
Okay.
What is wrong in that? What is wrong in that?
Please, I have one sentence to say to all the honorable members. There is, Banerjee, you are a senior member of the house. There is no such type of rules that the finance minister should present in the discussion. There is no such type of rule. This is a convention. This is a convention only. So please, he already answered your concerns. And Mr. Gandhiji, please continue. Please, Venugopalji. Mr. Gandhiji, please continue. Honorable Member Gandhi जी, आप नहीं बोलना चाहते तो बाद में बुलाएंगे. गांधी जी, आप नहीं बोलेंगे. Next speaker is Honorable Member Rao Gajendra Singh जी. Next speaker, आपको बाद में मौका मिलेगा. Rao Gajendra Singh जी, please start. Please start.
धन्यवाद सभापति
He will be
महोदय.
given the chance. He will be given